Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer AWS DynamoDB data to another table, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the DynamoDB service. Select the table you wish to transfer data from. Click on the Items tab to view the data in the selected table. Review the items and ensure you have the correct table selected for the transfer. Next, choose the Export option located in the Actions menu. Select Export to S3 as the method for exporting your data. Fill in the required fields such as the S3 bucket name and specify the export format as either JSON or CSV. After confirming your settings, initiate the export process. Once the export is complete, navigate to the S3 console. Find and select the S3 bucket where you exported your data. Locate the exported file and click to download it to your local machine. Now, return to the DynamoDB console and select the table you want to import the data into. Click on the Import option from the Actions menu. Choose Import from S3 as your import method. Enter the S3 bucket name and the path to the exported file you downloaded. Review the import settings, ensuring they align with your destination table schema. Start the import process to transfer the data to the new DynamoDB table. Monitor the import progress from the DynamoDB console. Once completed, review the items in your new table to confirm the transfer was successful. Check for any discrepancies in the data and address them as needed. Your data transfer between DynamoDB tables is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.